The history of the Ortea Palace Hotel in Ortigia is closely linked to the former Palazzo del Poste, the historic post office of Syracuse. Today, the building represents itself as a luxurious five-star hotel, yet its history reaches deep into the urban and social development of the island of Ortigia. After its time as a post office, the building was extensively restored and transformed into a luxury hotel, which today belongs to Marriott's Autograph collection. The Ortea Palace Hotel is considered one of the most prestigious establishments on Ortigia, combining historical identity with contemporary luxury. With its 75 rooms and suites, many of them overlooking the harbor, it's an example of how historical architecture in Sicily has been successfully revitalized. The rooms feature a clean, minimalist design and follow the Marriott standard. However, those seeking true luxury may find it somewhat disappointing. The location on the harbor and right in the heart of Ortigia is unbeatable. Thank you for watching and please do not forget to like, follow and share.